नाज़रीन, पाकिस्तान में आला नस्ल के घोड़ों की अफजाइश का सबसे बड़ा मरकज पाक फौज की जेर निगरानी आर्मी रिमाउंट डेपो है, जहां आला नस्ल के हजारों घोड़ों की अफजाइश हो रही है। इस हवाले से ये खूबसूरत रिपोर्ट देखिए।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूं अजीम राना और इस वक्त हम रिमाउंट डेपो मोना में मौजूद हैं। इस फैसिलिटी के बारे में बताऊं तो ये एक ब्रीडिंग प्लेस है फॉर हॉर्सेस, जहां पर घोड़ों की जो मुख्तलिफ इकसाम है, ना सिर्फ उनकी तरबियत दी जाती है उनको, बल्कि उनको मुख्तलिफ स्पोर्ट्स के लिए तैयार किया जाता है और अस्करी इस्तेमाल के लिए उनको यहाँ पर तैयार किया जाता है। अभी यहाँ पर एक बड़ा ही ख़ास मौका है जी, और इस ख़ास मौके की मुनासबत से मैं यहाँ पर मौजूद हूँ। मेरे कब में आप देख सकते हैं कि कुछ हमारे बैरून मुल्क से मेहमान भी यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, जो इस इंस्टीट्यूट, इस फैसिलिटी को विज़िट करने के लिए आया है। और यकीनन जिस तरह से मुख्तलिफ सेक्शंस इस फैसिलिटी के उन्हें दिखाए जाएंगे, वो तमाम डिटेल्स इस कैमरे के तवज्जुह से हम अपने नाज़रीन के साथ भी शेयर करेंगे। तो फ़िल वक्त हम यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं इस ख़ास मोमेंट को कवर करने के लिए। तो अभी उनके तासुरात क्या हैं, ये भी जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो आइए इकट्ठे एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। जी बिल्कुल, हमारे जितने भी मौजूद मेहमान हैं वो यहाँ पर मुख्तलिफ जो पैडक्स हैं उनको विज़िट कर चुके हैं, और यहाँ पर जितने भी हॉर्सेस हैं, जितनी भी ब्रीड्स हैं, वो सब वो डिटेल में देख चुके हैं। अभी मेरे अकब में जो आप देख सकते हैं, ये बड़ी ही यहाँ की खासियत है कि चैरियट्स का एक काफ़िला है। हमारे जो फॉरेन डिग्नेटरीज़ हैं वो अभी इस चैरियट पे सवार होंगे, इन बग्गियों पे सवार होंगे, और फिर हम जाएंगे जी अपने जो यहाँ पे मेन पोलो ग्राउंड है उसकी जानिब। इनायत पोलो ग्राउंड में हॉर्स शो का पूरा एहतमाम किया गया है, वो भी हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे। तो अभी आइए चलते हैं। तो जी हमने बड़ा ही खूबसूरत यहाँ पे हॉर्स शो देखा, टेंट पैकिंग यहाँ पर देखी, और भी दीगर स्पोर्ट्स थे जो हमने एंजॉय किए। हमारे बड़े खूबसूरत गैर मुल्की मेहमान मोहम्मद इब्राहिम इस वक्त बहरीन से यहाँ पर आए हैं, उनका ये एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा ये जानते हैं। हेलो इब्राहिम, हाउ यू डूइंग सर?
Fine, sir. Thank you very much.
So is this your first time over here or you've come before?
Well, I come here before, and this is the second time
This is your
in
second
Pakistan.
time.
Yes.
But I'm pretty sure this is your first time at this facility, at
Yes.
this institute.
Yes. Sure.
So
about this.
can you please share
Well,
about your experience over here?
Just now we came and we found I think the biggest horse area, which is nearby Islamabad, and we found it very nice and very lovely. And we saw very lovely horses, Arabian horse, Italian, and many things. And the presentation and the fellows here, our brother, they did a very great show.
Any specific sport that you have seen over here which you like?
Well, I saw the arrow show. I think
Tent
it is
pegging.
very
That's tent pegging, yeah.
tent pegging is very nice, and this is new for us.
Okay, you have seen tent pegging for the first time.
Yes, the first time.
So you're gonna try it back home?
No, I can't.
Why not?
Well, we don't have this kind of sport that tag, but we have the long ride,
Yeah.
and the long, I think, distance for the horses.
So Ibrahim, do you have any special interest in horses?
Well, for now, yes, I would like to my son Ahmed. He learn about the horse.
I'm definitely gonna talk to you, Ahmed. Hello Ahmed, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. So tell about your experience. Do you like this facility, this institute?
I actually loved it very much. The presentation was lovely, and the first facility was very good. The horses were very beautiful here. I saw the Arabian horse, very beautiful.
Like the father said, he has been here before. Have you ever come here
this is my
before?
first time.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
So how do you like this place?
I like it very beautiful. The mountains, the farm, the horses, everything is beautiful.
Have you seen all the sports?
In Bahrain,
Yeah.
I have polo. We have horse racing, but we don't love like this.
So you're gonna be the horse keeper in future?
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you so much for your time. बड़ा ही प्यारा बच्चा अब्दुल मजीद हमारे साथ मौजूद है, उनसे हम बात करेंगे। हेलो अब्दुल मजीद, how are you?
I'm fine.
अब्दुल मजीद, where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yes, I came here to visit.
You came here to visit.
Yes.
So do you like this place?
Yes. I had an amazing experience here. All the horse riding on chariots, petting horses and feeding them. It was all very nice.
So back in hometown, do you ride horses, or is this your first time?
No, it's not my first time.
It's not your first time.
Yes.
So you've been here in Pakistan before, or this is your first time in
This is
Pakistan?
my first time in Pakistan.
Do you like this?
Yes.
What's the most amazing thing you like about Pakistan?
The most amazing thing I like about Pakistan is how they are nice.
How they are nice.
Yes.
Yeah. And do you like our horses?
Yes.
And you can tell us about anything, any specific horse you like the most?
Stallion.
Stallion.
Yes.
Why stallion?
Because they gallop faster than other horses, and they are also nice. They don't skip. They don't attack for no reason.
Are you a horse keeper?
No.
Or you want to one in the future?
No.
Why not?
Because of I want to have another future.
So one last message for Pakistan, for Pakistani kids. Okay, what do you want to say about the Pakistani kids or the kids back in the hometown?
The Pakistani kids are nice. Some of them are like people from my hometown.
Do you love Pakistan?
Yes.
Pakistan
And Zindabad.
जिंदाबाद। एक और बड़े खूबसूरत नौजवान अब्दुल्ला हमारे साथ यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं और वो भी अपनी फैमिली के साथ आए हैं मोना डिपू में। उन्होंने भी ये सारा एक्सपीरियंस किया है। उनसे बात करते हैं। जॉर्डन से इनका ताल्लुक है जी। हेलो अब्दुल्ला, हाउ आर यू?
Hello, good, thank you. I'm good. How are you too?
I'm fine. So you have seen all these sports over here?
Yes.
So do you like the specific, any
Of
specific?
course, very nice. I'm like
The one with the spear?
When he come jump in the horse with horse and stand up, that's good. And some your traditional music, very good.
So what do you want to say about how they have keep such beautiful horses over here?
Yes, very beautiful. A lot of horses, from a lot of place in the world. Arabian, British, anything. That's very good. Yes.
So are you a horse keeper or are you going to be the horse keeper in future?
Inshallah.
Do you like horses?
Yes, of course.
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच अब्दुल्ला, नाइस मीटिंग यू। इस वक्त बड़े ही खूबसूरत मेहमान हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं जी, कर्नल बहरीन। और ये बहरीन से नहीं है, ये मलेशिया से हैं। हेलो सर, हाउ आर यू?
Hello, sir. I'm fine. Good. Thank you.
सर, टेल अस अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस ओवर हियर सो फार इन दिस फैसिलिटी।
Okay, it is a good experience for me actually, because this is the first time for me to visit Monal Depot, and this kind of facility for the Pakistan Armed Forces.
The sports that we have seen back in the polo ground, any specific sport that you like?
The horse jumping.
Horse jumping.
Yeah.
So you have a special interest in horses?
Yes, but this is actually the first time I can see the event from the close distance.
This whole facility is maintained by Pakistan Army.
Yeah.
So you enjoy your stay here?
Oh yes, of course. It is a totally different environment if I were to compare the inside the facility with outside the facility. It is very beautiful.
And sir, did you enjoy the Pakistani cuisine?
Oh yes, of course. I love the kebab.
You love the kebab?
Yes, I love the kebab. Not me, but also with my family.
Okay, so you've come here with your family.
Yes, I'm here with my family.
And sir, last message from Pakistan and the friendship between Pakistan and Malaysia, what would you like to say?
Personally, I hope that the relationship between Pakistan and Malaysia will foster more.
Thank you so much, Colonel.
Welcome.
Thank you so much for your time. Where are you from? Which country?
From Germany.
You are from Germany.
Yes, sir.
Is this your first time over here or you have?
I've been once with a foreign study tour here in 2017 to Pakistan, and now it's my second time, and I will stay here for 4 years.
Okay. So what would you like to say about this whole experience that we have seen here at Mona Depot?
I have to say I'm sorry that my wife is not here with me today, because she loves horse riding since she was a little child. And unfortunately, she couldn't attend it. She would have been very amazed about what we saw here, the breeding, the whole setup, the training of the people, how they did the horse riding, the skills they've shown. So, yeah, I'm sad that she couldn't be here with me.
But, from our channel, hopefully she would receive that message. So how about your experience? Are you a horse lover?
Yeah, we had our own horse for more than 20 years. And I tried to ride a horse by myself, but I didn't find it that entertaining like riding a bike or doing other sports. But as we had it, we brought it up, we trained it by ourselves. So I'm in favor of horses, and this was a great, amazing experience today.
And this facility is maintained by Pakistan Army. What would you like to say about this?
I would love it if other armies had these skills or this kind of capacities. But I know it's also related to your country's location to train horses, that you still have the need of horses in mountainous areas. So you can be proud about this facility.
And since you have told us that you are a rider by yourself, so which specific breed of horse you like?
I will hurt you now, because I come from Schleswig-Holstein, northern parts of Germany, and we have our own breed that's called Holsteiner, and we consider them even better than Hannoveraner. And I've seen Hannoveraner stallion here, but being from northern parts of Germany, they are no challenge to Holsteiner.
and the particular the horse show that we have seen at our polo ground. Any specific sport that you would like to say that you have enjoyed the most?
I think I enjoyed the most the team was a clown at the end, because he was always making something different, but also the skills to fetch up things from the ground. At the end, everything was really nicely done by the horse
That's
riders.
a last message for Pakistan and Germany friendship.
Pakistan Zindabad, and long live the Pakistan-German relationship.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो
Thank you
मच,
so
नाइस
much.
मीटिंग यू सर। तो नाजरीन, मोना डिपो में हमारा ये आज का दिन बड़ा ही शानदार गुजरा। आज के इस प्रोग्राम से हमें इजाज़त दें, क्योंकि दिन भी ढल रहा है, हमारी एनर्जी भी ढल रही है, और साथ हमारे जितने फॉरेन डेलीगेट्स यहाँ पर आए हैं उनकी रवानगी का भी अब वक्त हुआ चाहता है। तो बड़ा ही खूबसूरत ये दिन गुजरा। ये ज़िंदगी का एक यादगार एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा। अपने इस फीडबैक से हमें सोशल मीडिया पर आगाह करना मत भूलिएगा। तब तक अपने प्यारों का ख्याल रखें।